I'm going, of course, to trade the DRIDR concept. What do we see over here? We see firstly that I have a 5-minute confirmation. Our step 2 is we have our pullback. And what do we expect to see now? We are waiting to complete to see a fractal frenzy signal towards the direction of the confirmation. And of course, you see it over here. So I will enter exactly at this point. I will usually cover, of course, the swing low, or if I want to be more aggressive, I would cover, for example, this fair value gap, and I will go for my standard 1.5R. And as you see, it would have played out very, very nicely, flawlessly. This is our bullish example. As you all know, I'm also using one more concept, and this is the Asian DR breakout that I'm going to show you. That will be my second example. Let's see if the trade plays out. Eventually, as I said to all of you, I always go for a 1.5 at 1-to-1. I will always put my trade to break even. You see my stop loss is 34.75, 34.75. So this means that at this exact point I would have put my trade at break even. And of course it would have been, if I remember well, a winner. After, of course, a few hours, yes. And it was a winner. Let's go also to see another example of how I'm going to trade during profit leak. Here is one more example. This is based on the concept, of course, of the Asian DR breakout, and especially about the Asian DR that you all know how important it is based on my trading plan. Price has, of course, multiple times broke from the downside. Of course, when price is from the downside of the Asian DR, we are bearish, and when price is above the Asian DR, we are bullish. In this situation, you see price broke again from the downside. What I want to see always in these kind of situations, I want to see the break, the retest of the Asian DR, and here I'm going to take a short trade towards the direction that we have the break, of course. But this time I'm going to use DeLorean for this trade idea. Let's see if we're going to have a retest. Yes, we had a retest. Let's go down to the 1 minute. I'm now, as I said, going to wait for DeLorean to change its range filters. You see, price came back, returned. Now I want to see, as I see, again, the two range filters as we see over here to turn red, break, retest. And at this point, I would cover, of course, the swing high and go for a 1.5. Or, as I said previously, if I wanted to be even more aggressive, I would have taken a shorter stop loss. But as you see, we had a complete meltdown. As I said, I have also shared this on public YouTube. So remember, Asian DRS bias, break, retest of the zone. We wait again for the range filters to turn towards the direction, to the color, towards the direction that we want. 1.5, we will call it a day. And of course, I'm going to use also the basic trading plan from the opposite direction than the trade that I showed previously. Thank you very much for watching. I hope the best will win. Thank you so much.